welcome back to Channeling Luxury. This is my second video, just a very quick short video with 3 pieces from 23P. The infamous dress that so many of us, here's a tag for it before I forget, that so many of us wanted to pick up. Kind of surprised that I was able to get it, but this one is actually already been altered and is part of my collection, and I will show you here shortly what it looks like. It just came back. And so this is the one shoulder dress in ecru with a lot of statements on it. So we're definitely a billboard for Chanel with this piece, and love the colors. It looks, we'll see what you think when I try it on, see if you like it as much as I do. This jumpsuit here, I think the color is amazing. I will leave to your thoughts when I try it on here, what you think. Here's the tag for it, for those of you looking for it. And here is the other side of that as well. And again, fantastic color, but I don't know. We'll see what you all think. Here are some additional details at the strap line. And then this vest, I know a lot of folks are looking for this. This is has a really cool pattern in the back, kind of subtle pattern with double C and the camellia print. It's designed to be very oversized. I had tried on a 38 in the boutique and it was too big. This is a 34 and I think it's a little bit too small, but again, I'll try it on and see what you all think about it. I picture myself with, you know, kind of like very flowy design and maybe some white shorts, something like that, and having this very oversized, and maybe sizing down, it just is sized down too much. So I'll show you here when I try it on. For those of you looking for it, it is a very pricey piece, unfortunately, for only denim. And here's the tag for it. This is blue. I believe there may be, if not in the US, in Europe, a black as well. And here's the button detail in pink and blue. So I will try these 3 pieces on and we'll see what you all think, and look forward to your comments and feedback. All right, welcome back. So this is the vest. I don't have the ideal top underneath it. It definitely fits better than the 38, which was, like I said, crazy, crazy baggy. However, I think it should, well, it's okay. I think it should fit a little bit looser than this. It is a tad tight around here. So I think if you're gonna pick this up, probably sizing down 1 size and not 2 would be good. Here is how the back looks. It's a little bit, dare I say, it's a little bit boring, which is a little surprising because when I tried it on in the boutique, I thought it was fantastic. It was so cute and I thought of many ways I would wear it, but I'm just not feeling it right now. So this is how it looks on. And for those of you looking for this vest, this is what it looks like. And like I said, I recommend just sizing 1 size down, or if you're between sizes, go with the smaller size, but this is too small. The 34 is too small. So I will try on the only other piece that I have for this very short video. I'll try on the dress and see what you think. All right, welcome back. So by the way, the vest was 100% cotton. For those of you wondering, no stretch, but that's one of the reasons it needs to be looser. As I mentioned, this is a 38. You can see through the back mirror where it falls on me. It's about 4 or 5 inches from my knees. And I'm 5'4" for reference. I think this is very cute. It's 94% cotton and then a linen polyamide blend. The thing I don't like about it is all the loud CC, Chanel, etc. I don't want to be a billboard, but I also think this is a very cute, pretty wearable dress and can go day to evening pretty well. So here's how it looks on front and back. And the only kind of other detailing is 1 small button here, which has some pink and purple colors in it. See if I can show you. And then you'll be able to see kind of the last bit of detail on this dress. So this one has already been altered just a tiny bit in the waistline. It was extremely boxy before and it's just been tailored a tiny bit here. I actually heard that there's quite a long wait to have knits tailored right now because there are so many for this season. So just something to keep in mind if you're looking for a special occasion dress and you have something in mind, give yourself enough time. And overall, I love this dress. It will definitely be one of my favorites. Price point is very good considering how sought after it was. I know many of you mentioned that in video 1 as well, that you were kind of surprised that they didn't upcharge just merely for the fact that it had a long wait list. So I am very happy with this one. I am getting exceptionally selective and choosy, so much so that my fashion advisor has noticed it, not necessarily making her very happy about it. and trying to get really selective about the sorts of pieces that I pick up. So for those of you that are in the same boat, I mean, this is not for many of us an economy to be kind of spending a ton of money on things we don't like. So, or just things that are so-so. And this one for me is definitely 9 or a 10. So I love this dress. And I hope that I can hear from all of you and hear what you think about it as well. Oh my God, I think this is going to be horrible. Wow. Yeah, this is absolutely dreadful. All right, third piece for tonight. I'll be honest, this is a 1, unless you can get lower than that on a 1 to 10. So this is terrible to me, absolutely terrible. I know on the runway it's shown with a tunic over it. It needs something over it. Really, I think it just needs to go away, personally. You can see, I would love to know, by the way, if you like this, because maybe I'm missing something, but you can see the length of it. It's almost knee length. This is a 38, which is a size that I would need. It is a gorgeous pink. The color of the pink this season is fantastic. It's polyamide and has some metal fibers, like 6% metal fibers is what it says. And you can see the color is beautiful. Other than not having nipple stickies on, I didn't expect it to be this sheer. Not only is it exceptionally sheer, but I think the shape is not going to do many folks, definitely myself, any justice. And this one is definitely a no-go for me. So, but for those of you interested in it, this is what it looks like. Maybe it just needs the tunic over it. I don't know, but wowie. Kind of can't even wrap my head around this at the moment. But yeah, so I think it comes in 2 colors. If I'm not mistaken, it's black and pink. But definitely we know they have the pink. So I hope this helps some of you make some decisions about what you might be interested in purchasing this season. And I guess we could try the vest, right, with something lighter. Maybe it would change the dynamic of it and kind of help us. Actually, yeah, it helps. It helps a little bit to have it on with something not so bulky underneath. So those of you that liked the vest, you can see it in this shape instead, or this manner instead. And without the sweater underneath. And yeah, anything to cover up this pink romper or something right now. Anyway, love to know what you think about these 3 pieces. Have a wonderful day or evening wherever you are or whenever you're watching this. If you enjoy my videos, I'd love it if you'd subscribe or tell a friend. Thank you so much. Take care.